Hi friends, in this video we'll be showing some interesting techniques with respect to multiplication. I'll be showing you some easy way of multiplication techniques with respect to some particular numbers and how to multiply number and when to multiply numbers faster. These multiplication can be done in just 2 seconds of time. I teach you the technique, you just observe it. Let's start. Multiplication tricks, or you can call it as multiplication shortcuts. This will be helpful for you when you write your competitive exams or when you are asked to write the test. To make it faster and finish it soon with the correct answer, you can use these tricks in your classes too. Yes, multiplication tricks, multiplication shortcuts. Okay. So when two-digit number is given, you know which is said to be the unit place and which is said to be the tens place. From the right, we will be starting the place value of a number. So when it is two-digit, the last number from the right, the first number from the right is nothing but unit place number. And the next number to that is tens place number. Clear? Let's start now. First, we'll have the number 26 into 24. Okay. So, the last two numbers of both the digits. Okay. So, the last two numbers is here is 6 and here is 4. Multiply it. 6 into 4 is 24. Last digit. So, this 24 should be at the last of your answer. Clear? And now, what is the first number which is same? 2. What is the next number of 2? It's 3. Now the next number is 3. So now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this 3 and 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Right? Place it. That's the first. Clear? One step, 1 second, 2 sec, 2 second. Okay. So now we got the answer is 624. Clear? Very easy to calculate. I think you would have understood. We'll also see many problems related to this now. Okay, fine. I am going to explain it once more. Okay, the two-digit number, the two-digit numbers are 26 and 24. Now we are going to multiply this in 2 seconds. For learning, we can spend few minutes. Okay, so now the last digit of both the numbers is 6 and 4. Now multiply the 6 and 4. 6 into 4 is 24. Since it's the last two digits, so just put it as the last of your answer. Now, what is the common number between these two digits? 2 is in the 10th place and both the numbers are same. So, what is the next number of 2? It is 3. The next number of 2 is 3. Okay, now multiply these two numbers. 3 into 2 is 6. Place it as the first. Okay, so now we got the answer of 26 into 24 is 624. Is it easy? Yes. Okay, we'll go with the next question. Question number 2, 38 into 32. Okay, so when you check the last two digits of the given two numbers, 8 into 2 is 16. Place it at the last, and we have the number at the front as 3. So multiply this 3 with the next number of 3. What is the next number of 3? Next number is 4. So 3 into 4 is nothing but 12. So place this 12 here. The answer is 1216. Clear? Yes. It's very easy for you to learn and understand. Clear? Next, we'll move on to the third question. Third question we'll do as it is. 63 into 67. So 3 into 7 is 21. 21 at the last. Again 6, the next number is 7. 7 6 are 42 at the first. Okay. Next, 116 into 114. Okay. Now multiply 6 into 4 is 24. And now 11. 11's next number is 12. 11 into 12 is 132. Now we got the answer is 13,200. So now you will be clear what I have written here. Okay, sum of unit place is 10. Units place. Sum of units place is nothing but, for example, this is the units place. Okay, so sum of this unit place is nothing but 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Okay, and next thing what I have written here is, and digits before that are same. Okay, the unit place before number is 2 and here also unit place before number is 2. So when this mathematical multiplication trick is possible is when the unit place numbers are added, the answer should come 10. 6 plus 4 is 10, and the 10th place number should be, both should be same. If this condition is applicable here, then you can use this multiplication tricks when two different two-digit number is given. Clear? Fine. Shall we move for the next method? Yes. Sum of tens place is 10 and unit place digits are same. I'll explain you at the last. Clear? So before that, we'll recall when two-digit number is given, from the right the first number is called as unit place number and the second number is called as tens place number. Let's start. Yes. Here also a two-digit, two numbers are there. Now we are going to multiply those two numbers and we are going to find the answer in 2 seconds, but for explaining it we'll have to take some minutes. Okay, the same way. Fine, it is 76 and 36. What? The last two digits? Yes, last digit of the given two numbers is 6. 6. 6 into 6 is 36. Place it at the last. Okay, the same way. What is the number at the front? The 10th place. 10th place is 7 and 3. So 7 into 3 is 21. But here what we have to do is check it once which number seems to be same at both the given numbers. So when you check, unit place number 6 is same in, that is common in both the given numbers. So add that number with this 21. 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. So now place the 27 in the answer before 36. Therefore the answer is 2736. Clear? Again, last digit of the given number 6 and 6, multiply 36, place it the last digit of the answer. Next 7 and 3 is there in the 10th place value. So 7 into 3 is 21 and the common number in the given question is 6. Therefore 21 plus 6 is equal to 27. Place it before 36. Now the answer is 2736. Clear? Okay, we also try it with few more questions. Clear? Next question number 2, 47 into 67. So multiply the last digit of the given two numbers. 7 sevens are 49. Place it at the last digit of the answer, and next 6 and 4 is there in the next place value. So multiply those two. 6 into 4 is 24 and the common number is 7. Add it with this 24, we are getting 31. Therefore the answer for 47 into 67 is 3149. Clear? Now we are going to solve the third and fourth problem. Very easy, very easy. Okay, so 5 into 5 is what? 25. Good. And now these two number 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 5 it is 21. 16 plus 5 it is 21. Okay. Now 63 into 43. 63 into 43. Let me check. 3 into 3, 9. But since it is 9, at the last place we have to put at 0, 9. Okay. Then 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 3, 27. Therefore the answer is 2709. Clear? Yes. I am sure that you are clear with the content which I have explained today. Fine. Now listen here. Now you will be clear that sum of the 10 place is 10. Okay, 10th place is 10. Now we are going to add the 10th place value. So when you add the 10th place value, 7 plus 3 it is 10. Okay, as I have given, yes, sum of the 10th place value is 10. Okay, and the unit place digit should be same. So when we check, yes, same. Whenever you have this pattern of numbers for multiplication, you can use this multiplication trick and solve the problem within 2 seconds. Clear? Thank you. Yes, when you follow the simple logics, you can get the answer in fraction of seconds. This is really an amazing technique which you are supposed to know. Hope these techniques are helpful for you. If you think that this section is helpful for you, and if you need more of such interesting and smart logics, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that You can get the notification when the video is uploaded by me. Until then, bye for Sumati. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next section. Bye bye. God bless you all.